5 home remedies to get rid of open pores on skin naturally. Number 1. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a natural skin toner. It not only tightens your skin and reduces pores, but also restores the pH balance of the skin. Also, it has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that treat acne breakouts. Mix apple cider vinegar with equal amount of water. Soak a cotton ball in the solution and gently apply it to your face. Leave it for a few minutes and then wash it off. Number 2. Tea tree oil. The astringent properties of tea tree oil help in reducing pore size and also diminishing their appearance. This essential oil is also a potent antimicrobial agent. Pour 1 cup of water into a spray bottle. Add 4 to 5 drops of tea tree oil to it and shake well. Store this bottle in the refrigerator. Once it is cool, spritz some of this water all over your face. Let this water evaporate naturally. Number 3. Baking soda. Baking soda has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that help in reducing complications like pimples and acne. It helps remove dead skin cells, grime, and other impurities. Baking soda regulates the skin's acid content and maintains its pH balance. Make a paste by mixing 2 tablespoons of soda with 2 tablespoons of warm water. Apply the paste into the pores and massage gently in circular motions for about 30 seconds. Rinse it thoroughly using cool water. Number 4. Egg white. Egg white is another useful natural remedy for open pores. It tightens and tones the skin, which helps in shrinking the enlarged pores. Simply whisk an egg white and spread it evenly on your face. Allow it to dry completely and then rinse it off. Do this once or twice a week on a regular basis. Alternatively, whip 2 egg whites along with the juice squeezed from half of a lemon. Spread it on your face and leave it for about 10 minutes or until it dries completely. Rinse it off with cool water. Repeat a few times a week for 1 month. Number 5. Fuller's Earth. Fuller's Earth is a natural grade remedy that absorbs excess oil from the skin. It helps in reducing scars and blemishes. It is also helpful for sun-damaged skin. Add a little rose water to 2 tablespoons of Fuller's Earth and make a paste. Apply the paste on your face and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. Once it has dried, scrub it off and then wash your face. Repeat this twice a week. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. If you have any questions about this video, leave it to the comment box. We will try to respond as soon as possible. For more health tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel.